Greetings, La Architects here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a 3D view using Revit and how to render it within Revit and within the Revit cloud system, which will allow us to keep working on our project without any interruptions. So without further ado, let's get to it. First and foremost, you must have a floor plan ready and you must have already made sections. To do that, you just go to View, select Section and trace it out. Excellent. So let's go to level 4. Now we're going to make our 3D view. To do that, you would go to View, 3D View, select the camera, and place it where you want it to be. Let's say I want it here approximately. Perfect. Alright, do not worry. I know you cannot see it yet. So let's go to the cube at the top right. Right click on it, orient to View, Sections, select section 1. Perfect. Now we're going to go to Properties and look for Extents and select Prop View and apply. Alright, let's wait. Perfect. And let us zoom in. That's good. So if we want to go ahead and modify the camera orientation, let's click on Crop Region Visible. Alright. Once we select that, we can go to level 4 and find our camera. Mine is here, and let us bring it where we want it to show. Okay, here is fine. And let's go back to the 3D view. Perfect. And now let us zoom out or just click on Zoom to Fit. Excellent. So once you've clicked on Zoom to Fit and you now have your 3D section ready, let's play with it. So we can play with the view to extend it and show more details. All right, I'm just going to extend it a bit so that it shows even more details. Perfect. After cropping it to the view extents that we want, we can go ahead to the display graphic options and play with the shadows if you like. You can add ambient shadows. Excellent. That's better. But here we really want to render it. So there is two options. We can either render it here with the Revit system itself, or we can use render in cloud. So let's do with the Revit system and then render it in cloud as well. So I'm going to go ahead and select printer, 150 dpi, draft. Excellent. So for the background, you can either choose to have some clouds in there or no clouds at all, or you can choose an image and have a custom image or have it be transparent. However, I'm going to go with color and choose a white background. I prefer that for my presentations. All right. Excellent. Now let's click on render. So excellent. The rendering is done. We can go ahead and save the image by exporting it. You choose whichever name you want and just save it. And then you can edit the lighting and everything on your section. And the second way to make your rendering is to go to cloud rendering, render in cloud. So in order to render it in cloud, you must have an Autodesk account. So I'm going to go ahead and select final. All right, medium, advanced, and start rendering. And you can click on email me when complete. They will email you and let you know once it's done. And as long as you have an Autodesk account, it should be unlimited. Perfect. And let us wait for it to be done. And then we can continue in the background and work on our project. Excellent. Now that it has gathered the scene, we can continue in the background and click on View Rendering Progress. And then you just come to Autodesk. So this is the final outcome with the cloud rendering. As you can see, it's so much better than the Revit itself. So imagine if you had all of your details in here, your project is finished and all is well. This will really look good. So in order to download it, click on download and choose whichever version you want to download it in. I highly recommend as a TIFF, especially if you want to edit it. Or you can also click on transparent background and download it. Perfect. So this is how you make a 3D section using Revit. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.